The this is our question paper, English question paper model. First bit annotations. So these first bit annotations in this second year English question paper model paper. So annual exam model paper. The first bit is annotate any two of the following in about 100 words each. So this first bit totally 3 annotations present. So in this bit the annotations came from prose annotations. So in our textbook total 5 lessons present in prose. In these 5 lessons, so the annual examiner gives us 3 annotations, okay, A and B and C. So in this first bit, so we will only 2 into 4 8 marks, and we must write in our examination 2 only, so remaining one choice. Now second bit, the second bit also annotations present. In this bit also 3 questions present, annotation questions. So these questions came from poetry annotations. So total poems are 5 poems in our second year. Okay, in this bit also 2 into 4 8 marks. So only we can write in our final examination 2 annotations only. So remaining one of the choice. Now third bit, this is third bit, the question answers. So these question answers came from our prose question answers. Okay, total prose lessons are 5. So in these 5 lessons, so our final examiner gives us 3 questions only. Okay, so next is this bit also same, 2 into 4 8 marks. So remaining one choice, only 2 questions we will attempt to in our final examination. So now fourth bit. So fourth bit, all the fourth bit questions came from poetry questions. Okay, in this bit also same, 2 into 4 8 marks. 8 marks means 1 question choice. And last in theory part, fifth bit. The fifth bit is the 3 questions present in this in fifth bit. These questions came from short stories. So total 5 short stories present. So already we are discussing in previous class. Okay, 2 into 4 8 marks. Okay, total when we discuss the marks, the first bit 8 marks, and second bit 8 marks, and third bit 8 marks, and now fourth bit 8 marks, and fifth bit 8 marks, total 40 marks. So when we questioned in our final examination, each and every bit 2 questions, and 5 into 2 10 questions. So 10 questions mean 10 into 4 40 marks. The 40 marks awarded to theory part. So now the clear cut of the marks in theory part 40 marks only. So now we are going to grammar part. So the section B, the section 1 is the theory part, and section B is the grammar part. The sixth bit, the question is the question came from this passage, short stories. So 5 short stories present in our textbooks. So in these 5 short stories, so only one passage our annual examiner gives us. Okay, 4 into 1 4 marks. So total in this passage total 6 questions are present, but we can attempt only 4 questions. So remaining 2 choice. Each and every bit in our grammar topics 2 questions are choice. Okay, 4 into 1 4. Now seventh bit. The seventh bit is the general passage about our Telangana and Telangana, how to move movements, and how many movements in Telangana, and who are the face difficulty situations in our Telangana. These the Telangana passages and general passages present in 7th bit. So in this bit also, 4 marks, 4 into 1 4 marks. So 2 questions are choice, total 6 questions present in this passage. Now 8th bit. So 8th bit, see this 8th bit is a very very special. So when we compare the first year grammar, okay, so in the second year 8th bit is the ads, the advertisements. So many types of advertisements present about the government schemes and other schemes. So in this advertisement we can understand this advertisement in our examination and answer any 4 questions. So remaining 2 questions are choice. So 4 into 1 4 marks. So after the advertisement the examiner gives 6 questions, so we will identify only 4 correct answers. For now, next 9th bit. In 9th bit, so the 9th bit is a very very interesting. This is so many types of charts present: pie charts, bar charts, and flow charts, and table diagrams. So many non-verbal patterns. These are called non-verbal pattern. So non-verbal diagrams are given in this 9th bit. So in this bit also 4 marks, 4 into 1 4 marks. So total after the non-verbal diagram 6 questions present according to diagram. So we will only 4 only we can identify in our examination. So that's why we will get 4 marks. Next bit, 10th bit. So now section C start in our annual examination question paper. The 10th bit is the punctuation. The punctuation marks. So punctuation marks means generally comma, full stop, question marks. So this type of punctuation marks present in our English grammar. So we are all know very well capital letters and etc. So in our examinations, the examiner gives some 1 or 2 lines or 3 lines according to the question paper. So we will identify the errors. So in these errors, the letters are, so after the letter comma or full stop, so we will identify it and we put that comma, full stop and question marks and colon, semicolon, this type of. So this bit all very interesting. 8 into of 4 marks, and each and every letter and punctuation mark when we identify in our examination we could write, so only half mark given. So total 8 punctuation marks errors present in this bit, and 8 into of 4 marks. Okay, next we went to 11th bit. The 11th bit, the matching words. So in our textbook, so many types of, and so many types means 120 to 150 meanings are present, matching words. So word to word meaning. So this bit gives to in our examination 4 into 1 4 marks. So total 2 questions choice, 2 matching words. Now 12th bit. Use any 4 of the following idioms and phrases in sentence of your own. So idioms and phrases. So these are just some difficulty questions and difficulty idioms or phrases present. So but in our examination, so much of excitement. In our textbooks also 50. The examiner given our textbook 50 types of idioms and phrases. So when we must by head these 50, we will get easily 4 marks in our examination. So this bit also 4 into 1 4 marks. Now 13th bit. The 13th bit is the verb pattern, the newly gives in this model paper. So verb pattern means, so the examiner give subject and verb and noun or noun phrase, so different types of the object. So according to the examiner given one example, we can write and remaining 4 or 5 meaningful sentences. So this is the verb pattern. Okay, so for example in this bit, subject she and verb have, has, had, and plus object noun. So she has a car. This is our examination give one question. So then we can change the verb and combine, and we can change the verb and prepare the same and meaningful sentences for example, he has a bungalow and they have a bookshop. So these type of questions. Now 14th bit. This is a interesting topic in our real life also. So many forms present in our general life. So for example, bank forms. When we went to the bank, withdraw form and deposit form, and when we went to post office saving form and withdraw form, deposit form. So these types of forms given in our examination. So see this question. Fill in the 8 blanks of the given from based on the information furnished below. So examiner gives one question, and according to the question we can fill the given type of forms, or bank forms, or post office form, or railway reservation form, bus pass, different types of. Now 15th bit. So now 15th bit is the prepare a curriculum vitae. So in our examination, the examiner gives one type of the CV or resume or biodata. So the 3 types of forms present in our second year textbook: CV, biodata, resume. So when the examiner gives only one type of the biodata or CV or resume, so then we answer the given question. So only one question, 4 marks. Okay, there is no choice in this bit also. Previous bit 14th bit also no choice. And next 16th bit. So this is a very 16th bit. This is a very well known bit. So write a paragraph describing how you and your friends made arrangements of the college day function, or describe the process how to draw an account to ₹500 from an ATM. And generally in daily life, so many things and process present: making coffee, like making flower bouquet, and how to register the letter into post office. So this type of process writing, and how when we examiner gives some 2 types of process writings, and we can attempt only one type of process writing in our examination, then we will get 4 marks. Next 17th bit. No, 16th bit over. 17th bit. The 17th bit, letter writing. So the letters are 2 types: personal letter and official letter. So according to given hints, we can write in our exam only one type of letter. Okay, this is the letter. This is the common things, and commonly we all know personal letters and official letters. And 17th bit is over. Now 18th bit. So 18th bit is a note making. So read the following passage and making notes, and add suitable title. So this bit also 1 into 4 marks. So in our examination, 1 or 2 paragraphs present. So according to this paragraph, we put one suitable title, and we can write only important points from this given passage, or generally we can write in points wise or tree diagram model or flowchart model, any type. Okay. Now 19th bit. This is a mark stress for any 8 of the following words. So this bit gives in our examination 8 into 4 marks, and each and every word when we put the stress mark, half mark. So remaining to choice. So total 10 stress marks words present. So we can identify only 8 only. Now 20th bit, last bit, dialogue writing. So dialogue writing. So in our daily life, some situations are happening, the dialogues. So for example, in this question paper, write a dialogue between two friends seeking apology for losing friend's book. Okay. And or write a dialogue between two friends who are going to join engineering college. So this type of generally dialogue writing is present, and in our textbooks also so many dialogue writings are given. So when we had these dialogue writings, we can easily get 4 marks. So minimum 4 to 5 exchanges between conversation present in our examination. So dialogue writing is a very simple process. So total 20 bits present in our English second year model question paper. So this is our English question paper model paper. Okay, very easy. So all the best.